Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DKNG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been tracking this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from here. And update, I don't know if that's necessarily the right word for this, especially if you watch past videos, but confirmation would certainly be a very, very, accurate term. Although I will say that from an update standpoint, it was good to finally see the price at least just go sideways. Maybe you're thinking that's setting the bar kind of low, and I can agree and understand that perspective. But you got to keep in mind the context of things, and the context of things is this. Let me squeeze things down. It has just been lower low after lower low after lower low. So just to see the price simply not put in a new low, relative to Friday, like I said, that is setting the bar kind of rough. But I mean, look at this. Like I said, it has been a very, very rough chart. So just to have it go sideways by not putting any lows, makes it at least a valid thought to be having that maybe some sort of bottom is finally forming. But don't get me wrong, and I really wish trading was this easy. Just because the price has now gone sideways 2 days in a row does not mean that for sure, guaranteed, this is the bottom and that it's going to explode upwards. My point here is it's at least it's at least a rational thought to now be having that, hey, you know what? Maybe some sort of bottom is finally forming. Case in point, if this thing was still bleeding to the downside, and then I was sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this could be the bottom, you'd be 100% justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? The price is still just drifting to the downside. But that's not the case here, right? It's at least gone sideways. So is it the bottom? That remains to be seen. It's at least a rational thought to have. But as far as, those the confirmation points, $36, I've talked about that previously as an area of resistance, and you can see that this morning acted as resistance. But the other level that gave us confirmation that has now acted as support again is down here around the 34.80 mark. And really, technically speaking, the price hasn't ever even really touched that level. But generally speaking, has gotten around that area, and to be fair, has held strong. But overall, it's gone sideways. So maybe this is, maybe some sort of bottom's finally forming. We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.